Assalamualaikum to my dearest lecturer, Dr. Asmat binti Ismail. Today, my group and I would like to presenting our case study about topic noise level measurement. I hope you will enjoy our presentation. Before we go into further, I would like to presenting my groupmate. The first one is me, Amir Iskandar bin Hafiz Azlan, and the second one is Nur Alia Maisara, and the third one is Nur Zahira Hazwani, and the last person is Muhammad Nasrullah. And now, I will give to Nur Alia Maisara to continue the presentation.
Hi, my name is Nur Alia. So before we begin, we must first know what is sound. Sound is a type of energy that we can hear. It is created when something vibrates, causing the air or another medium like water or solid material around it to vibrate too. This vibration moves in waves through the air to our ears when they are processed as sound. Sonic, as a background noise level, refers to the constant or ambient sound present in an environment which is not part of the intended signal or activity. In lecture hall and classroom, elevated background noise can interfere with speech clarity, student focus, and overall learning efficiency. Common sources include mechanical systems, for example, air conditioning, fans, and lighting, human activity, and external noise such as nearby traffic or construction. The World Health Organization, WHO 1999 Guideline for Community Noise, recommend that background noise level in classroom should not exceed 35 decibel to maintain an effective and comfortable learning environment for students and lecturers. For our sound measurement test, we conduct our case study in a classroom at the Annex 3 in UiTM Sri Iskandar Perak. It is located on the ground floor room number CS009. It is surrounded by other classroom and campus road. The main noise sources are air conditioning, nearby human activity, and traffic which may affect comfort and concentration. This case study aims to assess noise level in our designated area in classroom at the Annex 3, to compare the data of the noise level in classroom to the standards set by the Department of Environment, and to lastly observe factors that affect noise level in our area of measurement.
Now, in this section, I would like to tell you the instrument and the equipment that we use in this case study, and also the function of every instrument. The first instrument is sound level meter. Sound level meter is used for sound measurement in the test. It is for record the decimal of the sound. The second instrument is measuring tape. Measuring tape is we use for measuring the height, the instrument from the above the surface. The last and not least, the equipment that we use is stopwatch or mobile phone. Mobile phone actually we use to record the time every 1 minute. Proceeding to the work procedure of measurement, the following video would like to explain the step-by-step to set up the instrument and also the procedure of taking the measurement.
In this section, we're going to discover about the step of measuring the sound level. The first step is we need to prepare our instrument to use. In this case, we are going to use the sound level meter. This instrument is provided by UiTM, and this instrument only have one features, which is measuring the sound level. So, first thing first, we need to add the span at the top of the mic to reduce the wind noise. Also, this instrument has provided a memory card slot that easy to us to collecting the data because this instrument already have a memory card to save the data. Now we had discovered the first step of the procedure. So next, we're going to find the suitable area for conducting our measurement of sound level and observation. Throughout the process of surveying, we need to identify an area that away from obstacle, reflective surface, and also a facade that can causes our data interrupted. So we choose one of the lecture room inside the campus to conducting our observation. Subsequently, the next step is we are going to set up the measurement instrument. The first step of set up the instrument is we need to measure the height before we put the instrument. The appropriate height of the instrument is 1.2 meter above the surface. After we then set up the instrument, we can continue to collecting the data. But before that, don't forget to open your mobile phone or time watch to record the time. That's all for this section. Thank you for your time and I hope you guys enjoy for this section.
For discussion and finding, measure SPL summary, minimum, maximum and average level record over 30 minutes. Minimum SPL is 52.10 dB, maximum SPL 64.70 dB, average SPL approximately 55.67 dB. Most SPL readings were between 53-55 dB, indicating a generally moderate noise environment. Spikes in sound level happen due to sudden activities like doors opening, closing, or vehicles passing.
For the conclusion, the SPL sound pressure level data recorded between 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. show an average sound level of approximately 55.67 decibel, which significantly exceeds the World Health Organization WHO recommended limit of 35 decibel A for classroom environments WHO 1999. Although the environment was generally moderate, several noise spikes reaching up to 64.90 decibel were caused by door movement, vehicle sound, and activities in nearby classrooms. This noise level may interfere with student concentration and lecturers' speech clarity, potentially reducing learning effectiveness. To align with WHO standard and ensure a comfortable learning space, it is advisable to implement noise control measures such as soundproofing, soft closing door, and better classroom insulation. I will talk about recommendation. To reduce the sound pressure level (SPL) in the classroom hall and meet the WHO guideline of 35 decibel A, several improvements should be considered. First, install sound-absorbing materials such as acoustic wall panels, ceiling tile, and carpet to minimize echo and absorb noise. Second, use soft cloth hanger of door damper to reduce impact noise from opening and closing doors. Third, improve window and door sealing to block external noise such as traffic or hallway activity. Fourth, rearrange classroom layout to keep students sit farther from noise sources such as door or window. Lastly, regular noise monitoring should be conducted to assess the effectiveness of this improvement and maintain an optimal learning environment. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you to all of you that paying attention to our presentation till the end. And a big thank you to Dr. Asmat binti Ismail that watching our presentation till the end. And I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you so much.